Alright guys, I'm at Gap and I picked up a couple items. They're so cute, so we're gonna try them out. And here's a little sneak peek. So this is the first one. It's like a dark brown sweater, size extra small, and I love it. Fits so nice and it's so smooth. I might need a bigger size for this. It's a size extra small. My car is a mess, but we have all of these donations, and then I also have this one here. Alright guys, I'm shipping my giveaway box, and I have this cute, really big one, but none of the boxes, at least like the USPS, fits in here. Like even the large box, so it doesn't work. So I just went ahead and got this medium-sized box, and I'm going to transfer everything in here. And I guess for every giveaway I'll just be using the same box, so then everyone kind of gets the same amount of items, or just like as long as this box is filled, it'll fit in here, if that's making any sense. But yeah, I'm so sad I can't ship this, but yeah, everything else is going in here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you.
Alrighty guys, I have a flight in a couple hours and I wanted to try this out on the plane today, so we're gonna unbox the Sony Link Buds Fit. They sent this to me, which is insane honestly, but I lost my AirPods at the airport on my last trip and I've been needing one. I have a headphones, but sometimes I just like want the tiny ones, so I got the Link Buds Fit and I got it in the color black, and I'm just like following the instructions here. Hopefully it's not like dead yet, but here's what it looks like once you open it from the box. Oh, these are tinier than expected actually. Oh, these are super sleek. Also, these are my new nails. And then I love that there's like little compartments in here. And then we have these. This is what it looks like. So yeah, like I'm not used to like this type of earphones, but these ones, this is right. So I think, so the little hook here goes on the top. Here's mine. I have the old one right here. Whoa, you guys, this is noise canceling. This is gonna be so great for the plane. These are actually super comfortable because I don't know if you guys can see, but like this part right here hooks onto my ear, like it tucks into my ear really, really well, so I'm not pushing in. And they have so many colors, and they also have like skins on them, but I got the black one because it looks super sleek. So hopefully I get a lot of charge before I leave, and yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright guys, I just got a huge shipment from Banoa, and if you guys know, then you know, and if you don't, this is probably every island girl's favorite bikini in Hawaii right now. And they just came out with their 11th collection. Honestly, everything in this collection is to die for, and I have 3 specific favorites. I love all of them, but these are probably my top 3 prints that I really love from this specific collection. One is the Eden print, which is like this brown and red floral pattern. This pattern really just caught my eye, and I almost got every single piece that they came out with. So this is a one piece. We have a top, we have a pareja or a sarong, as well as the top, another top, and then a bottom. And then I also really love their vintage orchid print, which is this one right here. So cute. I got the parejo, I got a top, I got a bottom, and they also sent over the one piece. I have so many of this exact one piece, but just like in different patterns now. Then they sent over the Jaden mini dress in the shade Lychee. It's just this red one, and then this print right here is also so cute, but I wasn't able to snag the other ones that I wanted to get, like in the bikini form, so I just got it in the Taheya dress. They also sent the tote bag. Now I can use this whenever I go to the beach, and also this little bikini bag in like this extra large size, and then I have like a smaller version. So shout out to Loon and Indy. They did such a great job with this drop, and I'm sure you can still get them in stores, like if you guys live on island, or online. I know the Hawaii girls are ride or dies for Banoa, so your size may or may not be sold out, but definitely check them out. Next package we have is from Set Active. They just sent over this beautiful like dark brown / maroon sport body top. This is my first time using their sport body. I honestly could have gone with a size extra small, I feel like. But this is what the tank top looks like, and then we have the matching leggings, and then we have the Form Cloud double bra, and I honestly think these are so cute. I also love this color. It's like this bright red / orange color, and I love the little contrast with the white, and then as well as the leggings. And then Lindsay, which is like the owner, just sent over a little note.